I'm Tom, and I'll be your guide for today's quick daily English lesson. In just 3 minutes, we're going to cover some essential greetings and phrases to introduce yourself. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about greetings. Greetings are the first words we say when we meet someone, and they set a friendly tone. Here are some of the most common ones in English. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Use good morning in the morning, good afternoon, and good evening in the evening. Pretty simple, right? Now let's get into introductions. When you're meeting someone for the first time, you can say, "Hi, my name is Name," like this. "Hi, my name is Tom." Easy, right? Another way to say it is, "I'm Name." So I'm Tom. Now it's your turn. Try saying, "Hi, my name is your name." After you introduce yourself, you can ask, "What's your name?" This keeps the conversation going and lets the other person introduce themselves. Watch this. "Hi, my name is Tom. What's your name?" This is a simple, friendly way to start any conversation. All right, you've learned the basics of greetings and introducing yourself in English. Practice these phrases a few times, and soon they'll feel natural. Tomorrow, we'll dive into how to talk about where you're from and ask others the same. Thanks for joining me today on Speakeasy Academy. Follow, like, and share,